which you'll be understanding is related to how you can perform the activity related to your particular bringing down the website down. So if there is any website running, how to bring that website down? Where to perform this activity, make sure you're having your Kali system running. Make sure your Kali system is running. Along with that, your Metasploitable 2. So your Kali as well as your Metasploitable 2 is required. So start this two machines, everyone. Okay, so now once you have started your Metasploitable 2 as well as your Kali system, let us perform the activity now. So the first thing what you're going to understand is related to the how to bring down a website. Now, first we need a website, right? The website is where we will be using your Metasploitable 2. If I go to my Metasploitable 2 IP 192.168.1.4, if I go to my browser and access it 192.168.1.4, you will be able to see that particular Metasploitable 2 page launching for me. So you can just try to access it 1.4. See, this is your Metasploitable 2 static page. A static page is available. Now what I need to do is I need to make this website unaccessible for everyone. How I can do that activity? So to perform that activity, I can just go to the browser, can go to browser and search for one tool called as Slowloris. Slowloris GitHub. So if I come to this Slowloris GitHub, I will be getting a tool from an author called as GKBRK. Slowloris GKBRK will be there. If I get inside that, you will be able to see. You will be able to see the tool license, manifest, and readme setup, slowloris.py and all. You will be able to see. Now, click on that code button, copy it, and I'll replicate it. I'll create one file that is your Slowloris onto my system. Get clone followed by the URL of Slowloris. If I give this information, the URL of your Slowloris, now the tool is being replicated. That means it has been downloaded basically. What I can do now is perform ls and you can see the tool. Slowloris tool will be present over here. So I'll get inside that Slowloris, perform ls, and the good thing is there is no requirement.txt. As there is no requirement.txt, we can directly use the tool. Sudo python 3 slowloris.py -help, where what and all are the help options set for the tool will be visible over here. Now, where does that website is hosted? On your Metasploitable 2 IP 192.168.1.4. This is the IP where your website is running now in the present situation. So what I'll do, Slowloris, that is your Python 3 slowloris.py, and I'll give the IP address of my target 192.168.1.4 and see, still now I'm able to access it. I'm refreshing it. I'm able to access tvkey. See, everything is loading properly. If I start the tool and wait for some time, around 10 to 15 seconds for the tool to initialize, and if I refresh after clearing all the cache and cookies, see, it is not loading. If I try to access tvkey, phpMyAdmin, multilida, dvwa, everything if I access also, see, none of the pages are loading. Now carefully look into this, where I'll just use Control plus C now. I'll use Control plus C in the Kali system Slowloris terminal. Immediately the pages have started to load. See the difference. See, all the pages loaded successfully. Even the main page is also loading. And if I start the tool again, wait for some time, and if I see, because of the cache, it is loading. If I delete the cache and if I load, it will not work. So cache means it is going to store that website's information and it will keep on displaying you that. So that is very wrong in this situation to understand the concept. So we'll be deleting the cache, and if you try, see, it is not working. If you try any other option also, it will not work for you. See. So this is how you can bring down a website using this method, that is using the Slowloris method, and easily you can make that service unavailable. Now anyone in the network, if they try to access that slow or that metasploitable to IP, they will not be able to access it. So any questions or any doubts on this topic, everyone? If anyone has any questions or doubts, you can do let me know. In this meanwhile, I'll construct the command and I'll present it for you. Any doubts or any questions, you can do ask me, or else these are the commands, everyone. Try them and do let me know if you face any difficulties.